Today, I'm putting 3 different egg white protein powders to the test. Now let's see which one whips up the fluffiest. Now you may be asking, is egg white protein powder worth it? And I have a video on that. But did you know that egg white protein powder contains a high amount of an amino acid called albumin, which is critical for the body's ability to build and repair tissue. Plus, it's a total game changer in some keto and carnivore recipes. So for me, the answer is a definite yes. So we'll start with Orgfon. What a funny name. But it's 100% egg white powder and made here in the US. Now we're going to be using 1 tablespoon egg white protein powder. And I thought I was opening a Happy Meal. They actually gave me a free spoon. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons water. Now I thought this was going to be enough originally, but it's not enough to properly mix. So I went ahead and added an additional tablespoon and 2 more tablespoons of water. So let me go over a couple things as I take this mixture to stiff peaks. This first egg white protein powder has almost no smell and dissolves quickly in water. And as you can see here, it produces a very firm, stiff peak. Next up is a company called Telcufon. And I'm starting to wonder, where did they get these names? I suppose it's a good thing names aren't important, just that they whip to stiff peaks. Now this is interesting. I wonder if this is industry standard. Another free tablespoon. And now I'll add my 2 tablespoons egg white protein powder and 4 tablespoons water. Alright, this protein powder seems to mix fairly well with water, almost like the last one. But as you see here, it was actually caking in the corners. You can see the dry powder, but after scraping the corners with the spatula and remixing it, it mixed beautifully to stiff peaks. Alright, enough of the crazy names. I'm calling this one omelet. And another thing, it seems like Christmas around here. Every one of these I open, there's a prize inside. Here's another spoon. And now I must say, with this one, it reminded me a lot like Now egg white protein powder. And as most of you already know, Now egg white powder added lecithin to their formula, which probably was a cost-effective choice, but cost us in the keto community by leaving us with a product that didn't perform like it should. But on the bright side, now you have 3 egg white protein powders that you know will whip to stiff peaks. And it also led to my last carnivore tortilla recipe. Guys, this tortilla recipe is amazing, and if you want to check it out, here's a link right here. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.